welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to delete a group chat on WhatsApp. So you created your group for a purpose, the purpose has been fulfilled, now you want to delete the group. So before deleting, I'm going to show you guys two other things. So first of all, how to remove people from a group. You want to remove someone, for example, I want to remove this person. I'm going to tap and hold. Once I'm tap and hold, I just want to press on remove, and then that's going to be it. They have been removed, right? Now I'm the only person on this group, and I don't want the group anymore. Secondly, you can exit a group all the time. So you just want to press on exit, and that's it. And then finally, we're back. We're on the topic of how to delete a group. So when you exit a group, you have the option of deleting the group. So I'm gonna exit the group and exit. See, I've exited a group, and over here I have this option of deleting the group, right? So then I just want to press on this delete group including pictures. I'm just gonna press on delete, and the group has been deleted. It's as simple as that. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.